What's going on YouTube? It's your boy, it is Andre. Man, oh man, I got a special surprise for you guys today. I'm telling you, because what I'm about to share with you, I'm going to show you an easy way how to promote Clickbank products for beginners in 2020. So if you're a brand new person, you've never promoted on Clickbank, or you've been promoted on Clickbank before, and for some reason you just cannot get ahead, I'm going to share with you this brand new method. This is going to be a tip that I've never shown on my YouTube channel. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end, all right? So if it's your first time here and you want to learn how to do that, make sure you let me know in the comments and just type in the word Clickbank products, because this is going to help out a lot of people. The reason why I'm doing this is because I know that this method will change a lot of people's lives in this new year coming. And if you're watching this in 2020, this method can still work in 2020. It will work in 2021 or whatever time you're going to watch this in the future, because this is something that a lot of the super affiliates that you see all the guys making the big numbers, they don't really share with you this type of method, right? So I'm going to share with you this, and I'm sure some of them are probably going to be upset that I'm actually doing this, but hey, I want to help you guys out. And the only way you can show me some love is by liking this video, subscribing, sharing it with somebody who this video can benefit in 2020. Because this, as I said before, if you know somebody who's struggling, maybe you want to share this too. So I don't want to take up too much of your time. We're going to jump into the video right now and we're going to get started. So easy way to promote Clickbank products for beginners in 2020. So let's do this right now. So, and for some of you, if you're brand new here and you've never have you haven't signed up for a Clickbank account, feel free to go do that because it's absolutely free. I don't want to go into much details about this, but I just want to share what the main screen look like. So just come up here, create an account, click on here, it's free. As you can see, the website, they did some revamp, they kind of fix it up, it looks completely new than all the other videos that you probably watched in the past. So if you look here, you can put your country, your first name, your last name, put in your phone number, your email address, password. Make sure you watch this video as well so that you can see what they're talking about. So once you create the account, the next thing we're going to go is on Clickbank. So Clickbank, and for this particular method that I'm going to share with you, I'm going to use cooking, food, and wine. And the reason why is because a particular product that is doing extremely well in the cooking, food, and wine industry, right? And it's about keto resources. Everybody know what keto is. People want to be their best of shape. They want to look good. 2020 is coming up, the new year, new me. I want to look good. We all know that, right? And this is a great product that works for people because it has great reviews and people are getting great results by using this product. So you always want to do your research, take your time and look at it. And you could click, you could see what it looks like, and you can read more about their sales page and their information page. So they have a lot of things on here about keto, and people can buy it for $37. When they buy it for $37, boom, you get a nice $23.89. And down here, there's another great product as well called 4 Offers Fat Burn Kitchen. And this is like $15 per sale. As you can see, they have sold over 78 of them this week, but the winner is coming in at a top of 216 for the entire week. So this thing is on fire. It's like hot bread, as what we always say. So this is a brand new method I'm going to share with you. So make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. Do not skip ahead because as I said before, I've never shared this with you. So the method that we're going to be using, Google, and we're going to be using not Google ads, but we're going to be using YouTube ads. Because YouTube ads, you could crush it as long as you know what to do. So that's why I'm going to share this with you so you can go out there and you can execute the same as well. So in order for you to set this up, you're going to have a Google account. So to go to a Google account, you could just go to google.com and you could type in AdWords. Once you type in AdWords, the first one that says ads.google, you could sign up for it. And once you click on it, this is what it's going to look like. So grow your business with Google Ads. It's free to sign up. However, once you start using it, of course, you're going to have to pay for it because it's Google Ads. So you can click on it, you sign up for it, put your payment information on there. And once you do that, you'll be ready to go. So you're going to set up your account. The next thing we're going to do is you could see all the different things that you could do. You could do sales, you could do leads, you could do website traffic, product, brand awareness, promotion. So what we're going to be using for this one, we're going to go with website traffic, right? So website traffic, and you can see you could do search where people are going to be searching for that thing. So when you go on Google and you see the ads, for example, if I'm going to show you what it looked like, and I'm going to type in the word keto. So if someone is searching for keto, as you can see right here, this is an ad, this is an ad, this is an ad. All these are ads. So these are people like you and I who's putting up these things, so that way people can go here and they could buy that particular product. So just like what you saw here, it's an ad. You could see what it looks like. These are all affiliates, right? Super affiliates, but they don't teach you all this stuff. So I'm going to share with you how to do, not that, but how to do YouTube ads, because it's YouTube we're going to use, and we're going to crack the code. We're going to make money with this method. So that way your 2020 is going to be bright. So this is some easy way how to promote Clickbank products. So you could see all the different type of ads. So the ones I'm going to use is video ads. So when you click on video, you're going to drive conversion. You click continue. Once you click continue, you could change the name, and you could put keto, right? If it's keto ad, you want to write keto ad, not a problem. You could put maximum conversion. You can go target CPA, right? I always go with like maximum conversion because I'm going straight for the kill. You could do $10 a day if that's where your budget's at. You could do $5. If that's where your budget at, you can do $30, right? And people who's been online is going anywhere from like $50 a day. This is when you start making money. If you're brand new, you've never done this before, my advice to you, spend $5 a day. Test it before you go jump in, right? So you could do that. And they say my ads is going to start approved. It's going to start as soon as it gets approved, right? So daily method, you can go to standard, acceleration. You normally want to go standard because if you go acceleration, what basically Google is saying, hey, if your ad is going good, I'm just going to keep putting up more money on it. You don't want that. Leave it $5 max. When it's done, it's done. So you can click on here. You can go YouTube search this, right? YouTube search. This is not working. You have YouTube ads. You got video partner display. You could just go with the YouTube ads, right? You don't have to go with video partner display. What video partner display is, it's with Google having other partners such as like Facebook. They have other different blogs that your ad can show up. So you could click on here and you can read more about that, right? Always read these things. Language, not all language, we're going with English, right? English is what we're going for. United States, always pick United States. You can go all countries. You can go United States. You can go to Canada. You can type in different countries, whichever you want to do. But for me, I always go with the US, right? Inventory type, I always go to standard. Right? I always go with the recommended. Expand meaning that, all right, you want to expand. So it's like excessive profanity, all the type of stuff, sexual content, nudity. It goes crazy. So I always stay within this, right? Staying here. Of course, you're not going to see nudity and all that type of stuff on here, right? But, excuse me, you get what I'm trying to say, right? So I hope you're watching this video so far. I hope you're taking notes and writing things down, because this is some method that you can go out there and you can crush it and promote your Clickbank products in 2020. I'm giving you guys a head start. As soon as this video done, you can start to apply. So exclude content, you can click on here and you can exclude all that type of stuff. I always interactive, you never want to do that. You never want to interrupt someone's game. You can go to live streaming. You never want to do that as well. I try to stay away from those things. I never want to go with, teens and all that type of stuff. I click on those things. I never want to target those people, right? So I exclude most of these things, right? Teens, I don't want to get teens. Additional settings, you can click on here and you could choose whichever, right? You can use account level to include conversion. I always choose that one. Device, you can go with all devices. You can go specific if you only want just mobile. You can go on mobile. You can go on computer. You can go on desktop. Whatever you want, you can go detail on here, right? For this, I really don't mess with this. I just leave it all day. Yep, run my ads all day because that's what I want. My ad conversion group. You could do that here. You can go with male or female. I click off unknown because I don't know what unknown is, right? Male or female. You can go, I always go from like 25 to let's say 54, and then I untick those. Not a parent, right? You can click on unknown. Household, top 100 income. This is like top 10%, right? So this is like income. So lower than 50%, right? So these are the things that I do, right? I always try to target that, or I just click off unknown and I just leave it, right? Any audience. So this is where it goes into details. You've probably seen some of my things that I've target. However, I don't target keto with this. I do more like my affiliate marketing stuff and try to target these. So if you're watching this and you do like affiliate marketing, such as like coaching or consulting, this is a good target audience. I'm actually showing you my target audience so you can copy these things if you want, right? You can do some hack where you can go onto YouTube and you can always find some videos. So you can find videos that are hot. Let's say you want to type in keto, right? You want to type in keto, and you could see all these, right? You could target the people that actually watch these videos. So this was 3 months ago. This is almost 1 million people. This was 9 months ago. I would target them. I would target them. So I would click on here and I would just copy, right? I would just copy the link right here, right? These are some ninja trick that nobody really shares with you. I'm gonna share with you. So make sure you like this video, watch this video all the way to the end. So you can come over here, you could browse, right? You can browse, you can get some ideas, right? I can go on here, right? And I could type this in, all right? So search filter URL. For some reason, this is not coming up. Not sure why. However, you can go on the browse section, ideas. Okay, for some reason it's not popping up, but you could copy the link. And once you copy the link, you can click on here and you could start searching, related searches. And you can even type in keto. All right, for some reason, okay, search. All right, hang on one second. Let me click on here. I'm gonna pull this up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So here in like the audience, you can go retarget interest in like moms, right? Moms always loving keto, right? So you can create your custom audience. So I'll get back to that. Keyword, okay, there it is, right? So you come here, you put your link right here. And you could get some ideas from some of these videos. Okay, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm trying to get some keyword related. All right, but you could type in phrases. Oh, okay. You can type in phrases, right? You can type in phrases. You can type in keto. You can type in all relative keyword search words. If you want to find keywords as well, you can always go to Google Trends and you type in the word keto, and you could use all these. All these, there's over 25. So you could see what people are searching for. This is Google Trends. Google is actually telling you that people are searching for these keywords here in the US. So if you're targeting the US, that's what you will do. So what you're going to be doing, right? Any topic, you can go in here. You can go with food, drinks. You can go with health. These are some of the things that people are looking for. Placements, of course, popular videos. You could do, you can do like the popular videos. So this is where the placement go. I don't know what I was thinking earlier. as you can see, it's super late when I record these videos because as soon as I get ideas and as soon as I done finishing my stuff, I'll let you guys know. So this is one of the videos. So that's the video that we just clicked. You can click on here, right? So you see that's a placement. That's probably where you want your ads to go in a video that was just created, because people are going to go how to start keto diet. So guess what? Your ad is going to pop up right in front of that video, and that's how it's going to work. So you can get a few different ones and you could put it in there. The next thing you want to do, if you don't, we want to create a very cool video for this. So if you don't know how to create video, if you don't know how to edit, I highly recommend you go over to Fiverr and just go to Fiverr and type in how to type in YouTube video. You could pay $10 and they could create a video for you. Right? Once you create the video, you're going to upload that video onto your YouTube channel as a, not private, but you want to upload it as unlisted, because if you do it private, nobody's going to see it. So you do it unlisted. Once you upload it, then you're going to grab that link. Grab that link, and this is where you put the link. Once you put the link in here, guess what? Boom, you're going to create your campaign, right? And then you're going to put your link, because guess what? The link, once people start clicking on the ads, when they click on the ads, right, you're going to take the URL that we've created from this, right? As I said before, we're going to copy this, right? We're going to use bit.ly. And then once you put it on here, you're going to copy this bit.ly link. Once you copy that bit.ly link, then you also want to place it onto your actual, right down below your video. Right, so once people start clicking on the link, you can have them put an arrow on that actual video, click on the video, it's going to take them there, and it's going to point them directly. So it could be like a 30-second video, 1-minute video, not too long, but they will create it for you. And then once you create it, you can just upload it right away. So that's how I didn't want to just start my campaign, because it's not something that I want to run right now and get charged for it. So I do hope you enjoy that video. Let me know in the comments what you think about that video. I hope I deliver some great value. And type in easy way to create Clickbank products in the comments 2020. Type in 2020 as well, Clickbank 2020. I would appreciate you doing that. And I'll see you in the next video. So like, subscribe, become a part of the family. And if you want to learn more about what I'm doing, check out the first link in the description. My name is Andre. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.